Hello and welcome everyone. In my previous video, I spoke about listen to understand concept. Today I'll be speaking about a much more balanced parenting concept that addresses the importance of being loving but also firm at the same time. It's known as authoritative parenting. So this concept includes setting clear boundaries and enforcing consequences while still maintaining that emotional warmth, respect and open communication. Many parents ask, should I always be gentle or is it okay to be strict sometimes? Well, the answer is yes. You can be both loving and firm at the same time. Let's say your child promises to do his homework after his screen time and you notice that they are still glued to the TV and they haven't finished their homework. So instead of beating or shouting at them, you can just stay calm and talk to them and tell them nicely that, okay, since you haven't completed your homework, well, there's no screen time for the next 2 days. So here, you're, not punishing with anger, but you're teaching them responsibility. And the child learns that their choices and their actions have consequences. But at the same time, they will be still loved and supported. So what are the key principles for this kind of parenting? One is firm but fair discipline. Not harsh punishment, but logical consequences. Number two, clear boundaries and expectations. Children should know what is acceptable and what not. Number three, two-way communication. Kids should be allowed to talk, share, and also ask questions. And number four, emotional support. Even when disciplining the child, you have to make sure that they feel loved and safe. So remember, being kind doesn't mean saying yes to everything. Children need limits. Sometimes saying no firmly or giving a consequence teaches them more than just giving in. Love and discipline are not opposites. They go hand in hand in parenting. I hope you liked this video. So for more such videos, log on to my channel. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye-bye.